All right. This question asks us to write a Python program to display the first and last colors from the following list. And the hint is to use the square bracket to get the position of that color. So here's a list, and the list has these colors, white, red, yellow, and orange. So I'm going to use this variable list, and then I'm going to use square bracket to pinpoint the position of the first and last items. In this case, the first item is white, right? So recall that the first position starts from 0. So I'm gonna put 0 here, and then I'm gonna basically print this position, and then you see that it's white. Then I'm gonna print the last item in the list, which is item position in position 3, right? It's because it starts from 0. So 0, 1, 2, and 3. There are 4 items here, and 3. And now let's run the code, and you see that orange and white. So, and that's all about this tutorial.